In this video we take an honest look at the Fitify fitness app to see how well it performs for real users. Fitify offers a large exercise library, clear video demonstrations, and customizable home workout routines that make it appealing for beginners or anyone who wants convenient training without a gym. The interface is generally simple to navigate, and the app supports a wide range of goals from strength to mobility, which gives it flexibility for different fitness levels. However, the free version is quite limited, and many of the more useful features require a paid subscription. Publicly available feedback also shows recurring complaints about billing issues, such as delays in cancellations or users paying without getting premium access immediately. Some routines can feel generic rather than deeply personalized, which may leave advanced users underwhelmed. Additionally, past reports of a data security lapse involving user images raise fair concerns for anyone sensitive about privacy, even though the issue was addressed later. Overall, Fitify works well as a convenient at-home workout option for casual or beginner users, but it may not fully satisfy those wanting advanced programming or stronger data protection. Stick around and subscribe for more honest and helpful fitness app reviews.